Okay, so you see, beautiful people, you are back again. We have another recipe, and we are coming to make a smoky jollof rice. So you see, this is my green pepper, my white onion, my garlic, my red onion, my pepper. This is my chili pepper. This is my coriander. This is my blended steamed tomatoes. I smoked the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I smoke it, then I blended, then I steamed, and I put it in the freezer because I was busy. This is my fresh tomato puree. Yeah, I have my 1 cup of rice. My 1 cup of rice here. So we are coming to put this in the oven to smoke it because it's smoky. We have to. So I'm using olive oil. This is my lemon because I love lemon. So this, I'm going to put it in the oven. So we want it to, get a smoky smell. Then we blend them for our jollof rice. My olive oil for the jollof rice. This is my white onion. Our onion is brown. I'm adding my tomato puree. I'm preparing 1 portion of smoky jollof rice. So this is my smoky. I'm removing them and blend them. So I'm blending the smoking ingredients. Smoky ingredients I have blended. We are going to put it in the tomato sauce there. It's our tomato puree and onion, olive oil and butter. You see that it's dry. Tomato puree is dry. So now the smoking ingredients. We are making smoky jollof rice, a portion. Yeah. Not too many people. I think me and someone. This is a portion of meat. The reason why I added the meat is I just want the stock, the meat stock to stay in the food. Yeah. Although we are going to eat the chicken, roasted chicken. So after this, I'll also season the chicken and put it in the oven. You want dry rice, dry smoky jollof rice. So our ingredients will not be too much water because me, I love my smoky jollof rice too much dry. I have my onion powder, garlic powder, curry powder, black pepper, white pepper, chicken stock, meat stock, then all peppers jollof rice seasoning. Okay, so I'm adding chicken stock here. I just added chicken stock water because of the meat. I want to boil it small. This is our seasoned chicken here. So we put it in the oven. We are going to eat with our smoky jollof rice. A portion of a little salad we are going to eat with. So this is a portion of salad we are going to eat with our smoky jollof rice. Adding vinegar. So now I'm adding the rice. So this is our smoky jollof rice. Adding a pinch of salt. So if you are in there and you are still watching me here, when you are coming to cook your smoky jollof rice, any style you want to make it, that will make you taste the food tastes good. It all depends on you. You understand? Or if you want to try this, my style, you are also free to. But you can use the same method, and it's very simple. You can see that the ingredients are not so hard to find or to buy. Very simple smoky jollof rice. I will list the ingredients down in my description box so that you can see how I prepare my smoky jollof rice. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Using clean film to cover it so that it can relax and cook and get the perfect smoky jollof rice we are expecting. Yeah. So let's wait and see. So I'm turning it so that it can completely cook. You turn it side and sides, yeah. So that the rice will not be broken. You don't do like this, you did like no. You turn it side and side, side and side. So that your rice will end up looking nice. You see the color? Yeah, so colorful. Why am I saying? I am a holding. Oh, why am I saying? You see that it's so colorful. So dry. And the meat is also inside. See? You don't know. Anybody where will fight you, let them come, they already know. I'll be right beside you, like a wall Jericho. They don't know what's going on. Monagi, mama. This fire. This is charcoal. So this is a bowl. The fire is burning mine. Okay, so I'm putting olive oil here because we are doing smoky now. I told you we are doing smoky rice, smoky jollof rice. This is the fire. Five minutes for the fire, or the oil, the charcoal to mix, to smell on the fire. It has said to smell on the fire, to smell on the rice, so that you can get the smoky smell more. Okay, so you see. So now this is the charcoal, olive oil. Then I smoke it so that you can smell. It's so smoky. The food too is so dry. You see. So this is the end of our smoky jollof rice. The meat is also doing the meaty. Okay, so this is the smoky jollof rice. Now I have served myself. I need to enjoy myself with this. see how dry it is. The phone is even low battery, so you can't see the lights well. Smoky jollof rice. So this is our smoky jollof rice. Everything na smoke oh. Smoky jollof rice is done. Nice, so yeah.